Air quality is a really big topic in Colorado Springs around this time of year. You have allergens, you have wildfire smoke. A standard 1-inch filter is typically not going to cut it. It's not going to improve your air quality. It's only there to protect the equipment. A whole home air purifier or media air cleaner added to your existing system is really the most effective long-term solution for Colorado Springs. Here at the Home Meeting Service, we know that pricing is some of the biggest questions. We've tried to take the guesswork out of that for you, and we have a new pricing tool listed on our website. That'll help you get the pricing you need. No surprises, no additions. Click the link below to try it out.